Have you ever wanted to start your own business and work for yourself? Work your own hours, set your own pay. Each job takes under an hour and pays close to $200. Little manual labour and no formal training required. You can achieve this in your own fridge seal replacement service business, manufacturing and replacing refrigeration seals. Make the fridge and freezer seal in your own van, fit and replace on the spot in the customer's own home in under an hour. Average cost of the fridge seal gasket rubber is $1.20 per metre, so under $5 in product cost to make both the fridge and freezer seal. Average price to supply and fit the seal to the customer's fridge and freezer is $160 to $200. I've successfully started, run and sold 4 successful fridge seal replacement businesses. Now I want to show you how. This site is dedicated to show you how to simply and cheaply start your own small business, manufacturing and fitting fridge seals. Listed are basic steps on how to start your business. Please peruse this site and feel free to contact us at any time. This is an introduction video to the portable fridge seal welder kit. This is an introduction to the key components of the portable fridge seal welder kit. We have the internal left and right sides that slide into the main base plate. We have A, B, and C sets. The A set comes with 4 individual internal jigs that basically just fit in and hold the rubbers in place. You've got to cut them at 45 degrees so the profile of the rubber you're using slides in there. A plate comes with 4 sets and does 90% of domestic fridge seals. B plate is set up to do these 2 rubbers. It will do more than that, but A plate will not do these. So here's an example of why we use the different plates and different internals. These 2 are done by B2 and B1. And then we have the C plate, and C plate is just for a rounded rubber that usually does not require magnets, which is 90% of all cool rooms. So if you're going to do a cool room, a walk-in cool room, you'd use C plate. It's only got 1 set. Again, it's removable. So once you heat it, take it below the knife, melt it, remove your newly formed fridge seal. They are the key components of the fridge seal welder kit. 1 main base plate, 3 internal left and right, and numerous different profiles that will expand as we go. But as I've shown in the last video, even products sent to me from Europe and different places over the world are still fitting in and suiting the current profiles we have. What we found is on the A plate, this permanent groove structure covers 90% of fridge seals. So it's the internal plate that we've adapted to suit the different types that cover about 90% of household fridge seals. What I've displayed here is just the basics of the kit, which is the base plate, the internal plates, and then the internal dies. On the internal plates, we have a die set that has replaceable inner sections to suit different rubbers. As you can see here, this particular set is the same, this is the same, but I have this rubber in here and this rubber in here. The only difference is these 2 internal particular dies. So if I take that out, I can show you that's A1. We've labeled these to suit the base plate. The base plate is A. To do this particular profile is A1, and that will create that. This particular one is A3 to create the profile for this rubber. So again, we have an A plate using an A3. which will create this particular rubber. So there's the basic guide set that the jig set uses, and then the two internal plates sit in. Now we've got a groove cut out here, and that's to suit the heat blade. We recommend a 300 watt heat blade. They can be bought from Hotco Australia or actually at most major industrial electronic outlets. That would be fixed to the table and positioned here. So we'd set up a little bit of a screwed to the table situation, and then that would heat up, and then basically what happens is they close with the rubbers included and the die set included. It heats the rubber and melts it. Now that would be stable on the table. Then this would pull down and you'd go like that. It would cool, and therefore your rubbers would be cooled, melted together. You'd take out the internal and you'd pull out the rubber set. So as I said, that's A. We also have B and a C set for the industrial cool rooms. Now just wanted to show something extra here. Here are some rubbers I was sent from Europe, and I'm going to put them into the A set. The A set probably does 90% of household fridge seals. So now I'm going to use A2. I found that earlier that these particular two rubbers sent from Europe that are not made for this particular kit still works. You clip in the set and they're still in there, nice and sound. That would be cut, the rubber cut at 45 degrees, so therefore that would also weld. And the same again for this European profile. Most rubbers use magnet, so you'd need a rubber gasket supplier that would detail you with the magnet. You'd need a heat blade, which is readily available, and this kit is basically a portable kit. It comes with the inner plates that fit into the larger base plate. You heat the rubber, separate it, go down below the blade, connect them, take out the internal, and then you trim and clip your newly formed rubbers. Here are the basic steps to start your own fridge seal manufacturing and fitting service business. Basic step 1. Own a portable fridge seal welder kit so you can make your own seals at home, in your van, or at the customer's residence. The portable fridge seal welder kit welds the corners of the rubbers together to make the square fridge or freezer seal. So you measure it to size, cut the lengths, weld them together in the corner, and you manufacture your own fridge seal. Basic step 2. Purchase stock of 4 meter lengths of the various brand fridge gaskets from your local manufacturer. All cities have a fridge seal service centre that manufactures gasket lengths for Fisher & Paykel, LG, Philips, and the other modern brands of fridge seals. Find out who your local manufacturer is, purchase the lengths off them, fit them into your van as in storage, and the fridge seal welder kit can weld them together to make the squares and rectangles that make up a fridge or a freezer. Basic step 3. Use our advertising samples to promote the benefits of replacing the customer's fridge seals and the importance of your service to the community. We have a whole plethora of workable, usable, successful promotion items for fax blasting, for flyers in letterbox drops, for sign writing, for bus signs outside schools, and most importantly, the sign writing that goes on your vehicle. So we will help you with all advertising and the appropriate statements, facts, figures, benefits regarding why someone should replace their fridge seal, and we'll supply that free on the website to get you up and started. Basic step 4, setting up your work van. This is dedicated to manufacturing the fridge seals in the back, holding your stock, and with the right sign writing, your van is your best advertising medium. Basic step 5, practice fridge seal manufacturing and replacement on your own fridge at home. You've got friends and neighbours, you can build your confidence in manufacturing and fitting just within your family, replacing their fridge seals. Also watch our instructional videos and other fridge seal fitting videos on YouTube. Basic step number 6, start taking customer calls and replacing their fridge seals immediately. This is a cash business and should start generating business on day 1. Minimal costs and maximum income. You can earn up to $1,000 a day just by doing 5 jobs, paying $200 each. So that's 5 hours of work, paying $200 per job, and then you've got to take away your costs. Costs tend to be the product cost of the gasket, the cost of your petrol, and the cost of your advertising. That just about is it. Basic step 7. Visit our Fridge Seal Services website and discuss ideas to grow your business with other fridge seal business owners and experts from our site. Please visit us anytime, ask us any questions. We're available 24/7. Thank you. Could your small business profit from owning our fridge seal welder kit? If you currently repair white goods, or do home maintenance, or do fridge repairs, or even specifically do fridge seal replacement, we offer a small portable fridge seal welder kit that basically allows you to make fridge gasket lengths into the square of a fridge or freezer seal. The average cost to make a fridge seal out of the rubber gasket is $5 to make up 4 meters. Weld them together and you've got a product that you can sell for $120 to $150. That's a complete manufactured fridge and freezer seal. This is the website in which we're advertising the portable fridge seal welder kit. It is a machine that heat welds the gasket lengths together to make a fridge seal. So it's a portable fridge seal welder kit. And this is an opportunity in which we're selling this kit and allows you to start your own small business opportunity. We're not selling a franchise, we're selling a tool in which you could buy a van, put on sign writing, do some advertisement, get some practice on how to fit a fridge seal, buy our machine, buy the lengths of your local supplier, and then weld them according to the size of your client's fridges. You basically get a client calling you, you visit, measure up, pull out your kit, make the seal on the spot, fit it to the fridge on the spot, all under an hour. Now the average cost of a fridge seal length is $1.20 per meter. So the total cost would be about $5 to weld up an average size fridge or freezer door seal. Fitting it, up to you. You could ask up to $200 for a manufactured fridge and freezer seal fitted with a warranty. So basically, buy a van, start your own small business today. Or if you're currently a white goods manufacturer, white goods repairer, add this to your range of duties you can do. Provide fridge seal replacement. These are the current machines. Too big. We've made ours a dynamic, small, portable machine that has the jigs suitable for the LG, Westinghouse, Sharp, Fisher & Paykel, all the range of fridge gasket designs that the different companies offer. So it's portable, cheap, reliable, and creates a backup jig for your current setup or operation, or offers a new opportunity to expand your business as this is portable. It could be taken on a motorcycle, it could be put on a workbench, it could be done within a vehicle. It's very, very small and allows you to weld fridge gasket lengths as these are, into welded corners. You cut the corners at 45 degrees and our welder kit melts them to become a 90-degree weld. If the fridge is over 2 to 5 years, very often cockroaches, messiness starts around the fridge seal, and once the fridge seal is damaged, it costs more electricity, the milk and foods go off, it's a health risk. Procedure: remove the broken seal, check which gasket profile to use, manufacture using our fridge seal portable welding kit, a machine that welds the fridge gaskets together to make a completed fridge seal. Remove the old seal, fit it, and you're done. Here are the benefits: if the electricity bill is too high, the door's not closing properly, food going off too quickly, seals split, hard or mouldy, fridge odorous or unhygienic, water leaking, ice building up. This is the answer: replace the fridge seal. Our website then goes into the benefits, and feel free to pause and read this or visit our website. This is a statement from Food Authority New South Wales gov.au, conducted a study into food health and safety in states have a well insulated, efficient fridge with door seals in good condition. So get your van, put the sign writing, do a fax blast, do some advertising, and fit these profiles onto your clients' fridges. Hotels, motels, schools, how many clubs, pubs, sporting locations all have fridges? The answer is they all do. How many houses have fridges? They all do. How many farms have fridges? They have an average on 7 to 10 fridges. So create a small business replacing all types of fridge and freezer seals in the customer's own home. Get a client to call, you visit, you measure, you make the seal on the spot and fit. Either sell the seal or replace it yourself. This would work well with a new person starting a small business or a current white goods repair business wanting to add and get more income. Here is some method on replacing a fridge seal. Best bet is to buy our portable fridge seal welder kit. Find the local supplier and get some lengths. Manufacture the seal to suit your fridge and replace your fridge first. You're welcome to visit our site if you want to purchase or make an inquiry. And I'll give you the site address: fridge-seal-gasket-welder-kit.blogspot.com. That's fridge-seal-gasket-welder-kit.blogspot.com.